POPMART has finally restocked this Twinkle Twinkle plush keychain. It's sweet dreams forecast. The designer Afterglow Marshmallow. Rain on me. Flash warning. Hug from Snowman. Keep shining. Mess and wind. In every full tray complete set, you may stand a chance to get the secret edition. I hope the secret is in one of these 6 blind boxes. Unboxing the first blind box. This blind box design is cute. My favorite design is flash warning, or hope to get the secret design. This blind box design is cute. Top and bottom are slightly spacious. The sides are tight. I can't believe it. My first blind box is my favorite design. Flash warning. I love his facial expression. A cute lightning bolt is on Twinkle Twinkle's hand. The card can be inserted to the ring. There is a wire inside his hat, so you can reshape it in different angles. I am feeling lucky. Maybe I can really get the secret design this time. Let's find out together. The estimated weight for flash warning. POPMART Twinkle Twinkle Sweet Dreams Forecast Series is 98.7 grams. Unboxing the second blind box. I hope to get the secret special edition design. Top, bottom and all sides are super spacious. It has loud card knocking sound. Very spacious. It's mess and wind. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. The fur is like mess up by the wind. The hat cannot be reshaped. It bounced back to its original position. The eyes are so tiny and adorable. Let's insert the card. The estimated weight for Mess and Wind Pop Mart Twinkle Twinkle Sweet Dreams Forecast Series is 97.9 grams. Let's weigh these two blind boxes. Start with the box on my right. The estimated weight is 101 grams. Let's weigh the other blind box. The estimated weight is 102.1 grams. Let's unbox the blind box on my right first. Top and bottom are spacious. Sides are slightly spacious, with loud knocking sound in the center part. Sound like the metal ring. Seriously hope to get the secret design. It's keep shining. The bag looks like face. The hat cannot be reshaped. It bounced back to its original position. Let's try to remove the bag. The bag has been stitched onto the plush, so we can't remove it. Unboxing the fourth blind box. These are the blind box that I have unboxed. Let's find out if this is the secret design. Top and bottom are super spacious, with knocking sound from the card and packaging. The sides are spacious. It's Afterglow Marshmallow. The eyes has a heart and star shape inside. Ah! Sunshine embroidery. Cute heart shape. 2 stars on Twinkle's hand. I love the colors of the fur. Let's insert the card. Which is your favorite design? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. The difference between Keep Shining design versus Afterglow Marshmallow is 1.1 grams. This is my last 2 chances to get the secret special edition design. This feels lighter. This feels heavier. Let's unbox the lighter blind box. I hope this is the secret design. Sides are tight. Top and bottom are tight. There is knocking sound from the card, but the box feels full and light. I am so happy to get the secret design. Lucky strike. It's indeed a lucky strike.
Wah, 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 wah.
I love the fluffy rainbow hair. This secret design is so cute and adorable. Fun fact. The rarity ratio of getting this secret is 1 in every 72 blind boxes. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. This is my last blind box. It will either be Rain on Me, or Hug from Snowman. I hope to get Rain on Me. Top and bottom have loud sound from the card. Sides are slightly spacious. It feels heavy. Wow, I am feeling so lucky. I get all the twinkle twinkle that I wanted. Little teardrop in Twinkle's eyes. The raincoat says no fear. Let's remove the raincoat. The raincoat has been stitched onto the plush, so it can't be removed. Let's insert the card. Even if it rains, Twinkle Twinkle fear not, as he has a raincoat to protect him. The estimated weight for Rain on Me, POP MART Twinkle Twinkle, Sweet Dreams Forecast Series is 111.4 grams. Let's weigh Lucky Strike. The estimated weight is 95.5 grams. This is the heaviest and lightest I have unboxed. Please smash the like and subscribe button. Till then, happy toy collecting.